That's what I'm doing out here now for my grandson.
Yeah. What's he doing then today?
He in there sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, he ain't but 3 years old.
Ah.
Yeah, he sleep, but he lives with me.
Yeah.
He lives with Grandpa.
He lives with Grandpa.
That's right. I'm had him for 3 years. 3 years. I keep him Monday through Friday. He with his mama and his aunt on weekends.
My brother has his grandson with him all the time too.
Yeah.
And he's pretty young. Like his daughter, had this kid, so she's there as well. But he's basically like the dad.
You're right.
So people always just naturally
need
say
that man in around them.
Yeah.
All kids to try to improve them, teach them, do right. They need that man figure. I take my grandson everywhere, man. Down by Walmart on 9 Mile Road, they got a big building.
Mm-hmm.
Where you pay $20 and go in there. You'd be surprised at the stuff in there for them little kids to play with and jump around on and have fun. They even got a parachute you put on your back and ride you all around up through the ceiling.
Is that right?
Oh man, yes. A lot
I haven't
of kids
seen
there.
that. Yeah.
Right over there where Walmart.
Oh, he has a ball there. Yeah.
And he gets on this jump where you can jump up and down on it, and the little thing swings around and knock you down. And you get back up and jump back. Hey, he done fell in. I had to fight him, man, when it was time to go home.
You had to fight this kid. He's like, no,
he ain't gonna go home.
You can leave. I'm staying here.
I had to fight that boy to go home. All that stuff in there, he found one particular one he liked.
Yeah. That was the one that might knock you down?
Yeah. So I takes him down. And yesterday I had him down the playground. And I get in behind him and put him between me, and we both slide down the sliding board.
Yeah. Oh, that's the best, man. You get to do that.
Yeah. And it makes me happy.
As granddad. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Happy.
That's what I'm saying. I think that's cool.
Yeah, it makes me happy.
You can't not smile, man. You be smiling.
That's right.
Yeah.
He be jumping up and down, hollering and screaming. He having a good time. And it makes me so happy.
Yeah, that is awesome.
I make sure he have fun and do. Because he's a little boy. Yeah. And I don't want to see him do wrong.
You gotta be there.
I am, my man. 5 days a week I got him.
Since he was basically one.
I was at the hospital when she had him.
Oh, okay.
I was at the hospital when she had him. Had him in my arms.
Yep.
Yeah. And had him ever since then.
That's what it's all about right there.
That's right. I tell all of them. I even tell his mama. It ain't about me. It's about him. It's about him. I can take care of me. It's about him.
Yep. And now you.
That's right. He's 3 years old. What can he do?
Yep. And
it's about him.
You're getting across town this morning for him.
Right.
Yeah.
I can eat or do anything. Right. It's about him. I done had them 3. I know what he like, what he don't, and he ain't gonna leave Grandpa. That boy ain't going away from Grandpa.
Yeah, well, he'll be in kindergarten next year.
Yeah. Oh, but yeah. And just
not kindergarten. He'll be in
just the only problem that I have out of him, or we all have out of him. He goes to a speech therapist every Friday.
Okay.
Because he do a lot of screaming and hollering. He can't get them words completely out. You know?
Yeah.
Some things you can hear, some things you ain't. So he do a lot of hollering and screaming. Because he can't. So
he needs to be able to articulate. He needs to be able to talk.
Yeah, so he go to a speech therapist every Friday. Every Friday.
Well, that's going to be big when that starts taking effect.
You know
It'll
what?
start taking effect.
The speech therapist told me the same thing. She said, he's screaming, hollering a name, and you don't like it. She said, wait till he start talking. You will tell him shut up.
Yes.
She
Actually, yeah, that's
I
true.
think it's this house behind that gray car.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's one of these.
Yeah, it looks like that one right there.
Which one with this black?
Yeah, if it's 313, yep, right behind that SUV.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
All right. I do that same thing. I'll be like, you were wearing that just 2 days ago, weren't you? Yeah.
Men are different.
Because I like it.
Yeah.
And guess what? It's clean.
And it's clean. That's right. It's clean.
Because I got a washer.
Yeah. You had that on day 4 yesterday. I got it on again today. But I bet you don't smell it.
Yeah, you got to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, luckily I haven't had to go to the laundry in many years.
Yes. And that's just like a hard job to be. Laundryman.
Sometimes they have it in like the apartment building. I guess, yeah, in Los Angeles.
You got to fold your clothes.
I had it. We had a laundry machine in the building. But sometimes you still end up going to an off-site laundromat because they might have 20 apartments there, but they just got like one washer, or they got like 2 washers, 2 dryers.
Where you taking me back to?
Yeah.
You got a laundromat out there, and it's always locked.
Always locked.
Always locked. Because I think they want you to just go on and rent that washing machine and dry it and get it off.
Yeah.
So why would y'all build a laundromat right by the rental, but it's always closed?
Right.
Always closed. Everybody down there don't have no wash and dry. So y'all should have that open.
And even if it is open, people are gonna use it. You'll go down there, it's being used by somebody else.
You got it, that's right.
And
they leave their stuff in there, stay in the house, and stuff still in the wash or the dry.
Yeah, you see a big pile of laundry, a bunch of bags, and you're like, when are you gonna be done? They're like, I'm gonna be here all day. I'm going back home, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna change it out.
100 minutes too.
Yeah, that gives me memories, man. Yeah, I used to.
Put it on in here.
I had to do that in Los Angeles. Yeah, let me go get 2 rolls of quarters, $20 worth of quarters.
Right, and you'll use all of them.
Yeah.
You'll use every bit of them quarters. Them heavy loaders and them big dryers, they $4, $5, $6.
Yeah.
Then I have to keep stuff together to see. My wife got a daggone kit.
What is it?
A kit. My wife got a kit.
Yeah.
I bought her a kit 4 years ago for therapeutic.
Yeah.
And he was no bigger than my hand. Man, he's bigger than his stomach touching the damn floor. He's so big. But he will not go outdoors.
That cat will eat.
Yes, he do. He got soft food, hard food, and treats. And if it's not Friskies, he's not going to eat it.
Is that right? He likes
Everything
the Friskies.
got to be Frisky.
He's picky.
Yes, he is. If it ain't Frisky, Sam is not going to eat it.
Sam.
Yeah.
Sam the cat.
Yep. He's not going to eat it.
Is she attached to the cat?
Oh, yeah, it's her cat. I the one that take care of That's what that is.
And he won't go outside. Yeah. When I was a kid, we had cats that went outside, inside.
Well, he don't go out. He ain't been outdoors.
Yeah, if you're living anywhere around where there's a busy street, you don't want your cat going outside. Because
right, and if he's a house cat, you don't want to let him out nowhere.
Yeah.
Sam, we on the second floor. So he'll go out on the patio, but he ain't going nowhere. But we on the second floor, he can't get through the little rail, and he too big to jump over.
Yeah, so he won't jump over.
I mean, he ain't gonna go nowhere.
He
He'll
won't
go
jump
there,
over.
scratch at the window, and I slide the door. He go out there, sit out there, and watch, look at the birds. But he come right on back in.
Oh, I bet he loves that,
Yeah,
actually.
he come right on back in. And man, before we moved here, my man, he got me one time. I'm in the den looking at TV. He had a little bird you play with.
Yeah.
So I'm playing with him with the bird. All of a sudden, I see feathers and little bones that
What?
I'm squeezing up, thinking it's the toy bird.
Yeah.
He out there on the patio, creeped up on that little tree by the patio, and he caught a bird and brought him back in the house. And I'm in there playing with the bird like it was his toy. I said, ain't no toy breaking up with no feathers and all on like that. He caught him a bird. That's why he kept going out on that patio. He was after one of them birds.
You tossed him this toy, and then all of a sudden you see that there's feathers on it.
Feathers falling all on the floor. Where is feathers coming off from? Then the bones breaking is. There ain't supposed to be not no toy. Sam got him a bird.
Sam got you good, man.
Sam was terrible.
He probably thought you appreciated it. Like, look at this.
Well, yeah, I love him to death, man. Sam ain't gonna let nobody do to him what I do. Because cats and animals, they ain't whatever.
Does he like other people?
He won't bother with you, because ain't nobody there but my wife, me, and him.
Okay.
3.
Yeah.
So he don't bother with you, but he won't run away or nothing, because he know he at home.
Okay, good.
He know he at home.
So he's not skittish.
Right, but if he don't want to be around you, he won't get around you. You lay down on the floor. You get up on, he ain't get up on the damn coffee table. I got a spot for him to lay up on that. He lay up on that and watch the TV.
Cat's watching TV.
Yeah.
What are you watching, the game?
He lay right there and watch TV. You don't know what he looking at, but he be watching.
I love it, man.
Yeah, he is huge, man. He's a big cat. You open that door, he ain't coming out. He ain't gonna come out the door if you open.
Nah, he doesn't know what's out there.
Yeah.
He's like, forget that.
Right.
I got all the
house cat so long.
He's like, I got all the friskies I need in here.
Yeah, if he go out there, I got a feeling he'll get killed. Because he's a house cat. So he'll be scared of everything. And running around, get hit by a car.
Yeah, that's why we didn't want to let ours out.
Yeah, that's what'll happen. He don't know nothing but that house. He ain't going out there.
Yeah.
He gets scared of me when I pick up that water bottle, that squeeze it with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when he do wrong, I got a water bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I spray it at him. You better stop. Leave that alone.
Yeah.
And he gone.
Like what type of thing if he's doing it? Like if he's about to scratch the sofa?
Right. Anything he ain't got no business. Oh no. You can leave and go out of town and come back.
Yeah.
Your apartment gonna be just like it was when you left.
Oh, really?
He
That's
got
good.
his own stuff.
Okay.
And he's been trained to that from a baby. He got 2 scratching poles, he got the little boxes, and he got all that junk. So that's when he mess with that type of stuff, I don't grab the water bottle, so he know he doing right.
Yeah.
He know he doing right. If I pick up that water bottle, he know something ain't right.
That's probably all you got to do now is pick it up.
Pick it up. Right. All you got to do is pick it up.
They're smart.
Yeah.
Cats are so funny because they do learn. They learn. But they just kind of conduct themselves in a way that they don't really care sometimes.
Like my grandson, I cut it. Everybody don't want to mess with his hair. He was stay and live with Grandpa, so I ain't thinking about it. Grandpa cut his hair. But when he get mad, he don't want you to cut it in. So when he get mad and get on my nerve, you know what I do? I pick up the hair clipper. All you got to do is pick him up and put him in your hair. He go. he go.
Wow.
He go, because he know what you going to do. You going to cut his hair.
Yeah. This kid, when he's older, he's never gonna get a haircut.
Yeah, he know. All I got to do is pick them clippers up. He gone.
That's hilarious.
I go home for a little bit, and then I go back to the store. He probably still asleep. Then my oldest son, he there anyway with him.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah, my son and my wife. And my oldest son, he worked 2 jobs, but he ain't got no wife, ain't got no kids, ain't got nothing, so he'll come over here and hang with Papa, stay sometime at night.
Yeah, cool.
And
what 2 jobs does he have?
He work at one factory, and one of them, I don't know what it is, but it's way out Ashland.
Mm-hmm.
There's a plant out Ashland. And wherever he work in, it's a building where you drive and go through. They got private damn gates where a garage, when you go through, they done let down and locked.
Okay.
So
the security.
Right.
Yeah.
It's
he's
something
probably.
like, I know what it is. I don't know what it is, but it was something like they be loading up boxes with certain stuff to be shipped and going somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not the Amazon though.
No. But that's what he do.
Yeah, there are a lot of distribution centers around here. There's a lot. There's a lot of good work around here.
That's what he do on one.
He's probably stacking that money then.
He is, man. He ain't got no responsibility but to take care of himself.
Yeah.
You ain't got no wife, ain't got no kids. That's not no, so you ain't got no responsibility but to take care of yourself.
Yeah, he can probably save some money.
He do. He got a car. He done been to, about 3 weeks ago, he went, him and his girlfriend caught the plane, went to Texas. He done been to Green Bay. He done even been to San, because he's done 49ers, his team.
Oh, is he a 49ers?
Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, that's his team.
Yeah.
But I told him, I said, you're a young man, and you can do all that. You ain't got no responsibilities but yourself. So if you want to go, travel, go.
This is the time to do it,
Right.
yeah.
You ain't got no wife, ain't got no kids. You can do what you want.
Yeah.
And
then at some point, you know, he will have those things, and he'll be glad that he traveled and did all that.
He goes. Yes, he do. Got his own car, got 2 jobs, and I don't ask him for a dime, even though he come over here to stay sometimes. He don't live here.
Yeah.
He the only son I got. Out of all 3 kids, I got 3 kids and this one, and 1 grandchild. Out of all 3 of them, 1. And that's why I got it.
Yep.
That's why I got it. My first grandchild. Oh yeah, home sweet home.
Yeah, you got a good deal on this place, it sounds like.
And
really good deal.
And I like the area. It's peaceful.
Yeah.
Quiet. Yes. I've been out here about 2. I ain't even seen a fight out here, man.
Yeah.
No.
That's
you
good.
Look, the GMC people, you got to come off those because you don't even know nobody even out here.
Oh, man.
That's peaceful.
That's awesome. Hey, what was your name again?
James.
James. All right, take this, scratch it off inside. Maybe you win, James.
You know what? I did one thing.
Yeah.
I bought 2 $10 chickens.
Yeah.
It's a while back now. $10 for $20. I won $500.
You won $500?
Right here at 7-Eleven.
Dang right, man.
$500.
Hey, have a good day. That's awesome. Take care.